This is my internship trip with Jerapot. We travel by plane. The place we went to was Chiang Mai Adventist Academy School. When we arrived, the first job we got was the week of prayer. We were the one who shared the thoughts and led the worship throughout that week. Then we attend the wedding ceremony which was held at the school church as well. There was also a worship service by the teachers. The two of us stood in the classroom. There was also a housewarming ceremony for teachers. The two of us led the morning worship for the teachers. We also had the opportunity to visit the members and share the Word of God at the church. All in all, it was a very good experience and a very memorable story. Thank you for watching.